Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Cisco System Inc. Before talking about the stock, I have been saying one thing pretty much frequently, and I have been kept on saying this thing for last 1 year as well, that IT or technology is the flavor of this particular bull run, global bull run you can say, and Nasdaq will be the topmost gainer indices across the financial market. If you consider the world indices, different index in the world, whether in the developed market or in the developing financial markets, and it is very much prevalent. So for Nasdaq long term, the chart is already available. You can check it. Because I've already said it couple of times in the past couple of months. You can check the long term as well as the short term. Having said that, so as I've already said that any technology company will be the favor. So whether it's a technology company or it is related to technology, which is related to any kind of products or services which is technological in nature, everything is going to get rewarded because that's the nature of the stock market, and Cisco is one of them. If you look at the long term chart of Cisco, obviously you can see these kind of trends in maximum IT chart pattern, that the stock, in this case the stock has moved up once, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. In Indian we can say 1,13,000%, or in US you can say 113,000%. So that is the kind of return the stock has given um, in the last 10 years, since 1990 to 2000, and after that Y2K crash has happened, and you can see the kind of splits and all those things the stock has given. And if somebody is holding since 1990, the kind of money he or she has made over a period of time is indeed phenomenal. And you should not consider that the stock is not uh, what you can say is not performing since 2002 till now, so it's been 18 years. So if somebody is holding the stock since 1990, the stock price gain has been 58,000%. So this is only the stock price gain. You are not considering the dividend and all the other things the stock or the company may have given to its shareholders. So that's the kind of return you can get if you are holding stocks for long term. Okay, and it's very much prevalent that in the coming time, probably in the months or in the years, this stock will again move towards its upper side of the range. Okay, so if you are saying that quarterly numbers are not good or it is showing weakness, so you cannot match data with the price trend. So there are two things to understand. If you are doing any analysis, what is the reason for that? And finally you are looking for a price, and price does not wait for the data to come, because data is always back ended, price is always forward looking, and the price is sensing that there is something good which is coming for this particular stock or for the sector or for the stock market. You can see that reaction in the stock price. But if you are waiting for the data, it may not be a pretty good idea to wait for the data and then react, because by that time the stock has already reacted and you read some research reports and then you are investing. Let's say I'm just giving an example. What will happen in that case, that the stock may or might have already risen to that level, and the way the research report has formed, or the time you have read and invested, the stock already made a peak and it's started going down. So just understand these things. Okay, market does not wait for anybody, and we have to adjust ourselves accordingly, according to the share price. Share price does not adjusted itself according to a human being, because we are a market participant, we are not a market. So just understand this thing. And for this kind of stock, because see, there are two ways to look at this chart. Okay, the first way is this, that if you look through the waves, this is your first wave, this is your second wave, and once the second wave is over, this could be a third wave. This is one way to look at it. But after 2000, if you look only this section, what you can see is a large consolidation. Okay, then the consolidation is for 18 19 years. So for this kind of chart pattern, I'm not saying that an up move will not come, but in this case we have to wait for the price level to confirm the same. Okay, so our long term resistance could be 85. So once the share price crosses 85 or 86, we can probably say now it's a big time for this particular stock, and the stock is indeed ready to go up higher or much more higher levels. Until then, we have to stay within the range and look only inside the range. Okay, so your first support level, immediate support level, will come at around 35, after which 22, then 14, and then 10. And there is also a resistance level here, because the stock has moved down from the level of 58. So the 58 or probably, yep, you can consider 60 or 61. So 61 will be your first resistance or first target, and once it's moved beyond 85 86 and sustain over 86, then we can say a long term trend or a next big trend has already started, and we will look for that. So there are 2 3 things to understand. First, technology is the flavor of this bull run. Second, each and every kind of technology and technology related companies will gain out of this. Third, data is a back-ended thing, and price is a is an instrument which could look into the future. So by the time you look at the price or look at the data, price would have already made a high. So you should focus on the price rather than the data, and you need to identify which particular sector or which particular industry is going to perform in the stock market. And this is not a rocket science, you just need to observe the data for that. Okay, so this is about it. This is a bullish pattern. What I'm saying is just wait for the trend or the share price to confirm it. Once the stock price moves beyond 86, then we will say that an outbreak has happened and the stock price is ready to go higher. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of content. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.